Okay, people, first time I wear my rain suit at my job. And you're wondering, why would I wear waterproof clothes on a warm day? I like to be prepared. These black clothes, they are lightweight. I don't get hot, not really. I'm comfortable. I got it made. Glory to God. Just in case if it does rain. We are in the winter time. And it's good to get ready ahead of time. You never know. This weather is unpredictable. It's hard to figure it out sometimes. So I thank the Lord that I'm good to go. And I got my sunglasses and my hood. Keep the sun off me. So these clothes are not heavy that I'm wearing. They're very light, strong, comfortable. I love it. Woo. Yeah, praise God. Or I could wear my black shades right here. That matches better. Yeah.